Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Inspect your canopy, lines, and marker retrieval kit. Do not delay. Once done, verify the aircraft's jump, run, and wind. Choose an upwind release to drift toward the target. Make sure your audible altimeter is set to the decision altitude. Rehearse the sequence in your head. You will exit on the planned heading, deploy at the planned altitude, and immediately establish a stable canopy to begin marker search. This preparation saves seconds and keeps you on the only way path. You now navigate under canopy. Fly direct to the expected marker point. If it's not visible, switch to expanding spiral sweeps while maintaining safe altitude. Use recognizable landmarks, straight roads, rivers, and field edges to triangulate your position and correlate with your map. Make small, deliberate brake inputs to change glide and drift. Avoid aggressive turns that add descent. Once you have visual contact, slow your approach and set up a controlled descent to reduce overshoot and ensure you can secure the marker efficiently. You finish by committing to a low, controlled pickup. Reduce forward speed, align with the marker, and use your hook or hand-on contact technique to secure it. Tight grip before flare. Once secured, stabilize and signal if required. If you miss, immediately turn into wind, regain altitude if possible, retriangulate using landmarks, and perform another sweep. If visibility or surface hazards prevent a safe pickup, abort to a predetermined safe landing and coordinate a ground retrieval.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.